Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'm seriously so excited to film this chit-chatty sit-down favorites video with you guys. So I cannot believe how quick April went by, and it's almost already the end of April. Like, where in the world did the time go? So anyways, I love filming these sit down chit chatty type videos. I feel like it's so much fun, but it's also such a fun way for you and I to connect. We get to talk about our favorites because I do love hearing from you guys in the comments down below. I love chit chatting with you guys, and I do read and respond back to every single comment. So if you guys have something in common with me, or if you want to share your favorites with me, be sure to do so, because I love hearing from you guys and I love being able to chit chat. I feel like we're just like best friends. So anyways, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell so you can get notified the next time my video goes up and that it's in your subscription box. But I do want to apologize for being so MIA on socials lately. I am currently graduating from college this week, so it has just been so chaotic with finals, final projects, and just kind of like socially. So I hope you guys understand. I am planning on posting so much more coming up like this week and next week, and I'm super excited. So if you guys aren't following me on all my other socials, be sure to check out the description box because they are all linked. But as you guys know, in all of these videos I always start off with my top 5 songs on Spotify. My Spotify is at Kelly Tomlinson, so be sure to check it out. And I have this playlist called Ready for Summer 2021, and oh my goodness, I've just been adding so many new songs to it and I absolutely love it. The first song I'm going to share with you guys is an oldie. I never thought I would ever share her music because I'm not like a huge fan, but I heard this song in spin class a while back and I fell in love with it, and it's called Confident by Demi Lovato. I feel like this is just such an empowering song and so motivational, but it just kind of gets me in the mood to like go get stuff done. So if you guys are looking for a good song like that, I highly recommend that song. I also have been loving the song Electric Love. I feel like this is another oldie but a goldie. It's just so like upbeat and fun to listen to, and it's kind of dancey and like vibey. And then the next song I want to share with you guys is kind of a weird song, but I find myself listening to it a lot, and it's called My Ex's Best Friend by Machine Gun Kelly. So I've never really listened to too much of his music, and I really like this song. It's kind of weird because it's like an ex's best friend, but really good. Another kind of empowering song that I've been really enjoying is by Miley Cyrus. I feel like I'm going like such a throwback right now. It's called Do My Thing, and I feel like this is that song that gets you motivated to go get your stuff done, and I feel like I've been needing that lately just with so much happening in my life. And then the last song I want to share with you guys is a remix, and I found this in one of my favorite shows that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, don't worry, and it's called Trampoline. So you guys might have heard of it. Zayn did a cover with it, but this one doesn't have Zayn in it. It's a remix, and it has the most amazing bass drop in it that I'm like, oh my goodness. So I have been loving that song. So in case you guys want to check out more songs like these, my Spotify playlist is seriously so random, but they're all public. Again, it's just at Kelly Tomlinson. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments what you've been listening to, because I always love finding a good song recommendation. But we're gonna move in to what I've been watching. So I love Netflix. I find myself watching a lot of Netflix like before I go to bed, or just kind of like when I have downtime where it's very relaxing, especially after being super busy. And I watched 3 whole Netflix originals. I'm kind of like embarrassed to admit this, but I love it. So I have a few to share with you that I think are really good recommendations. And the first one is The Baker and the Beauty. So this is a 10 episode series that Netflix produced. Really good. It's kind of like that like drama show, but it's kind of predictable, but I really liked it. I also watched Firefly Lane, which, oh my goodness, I cannot wait for the next season because it left me on the biggest cliffhanger. But it's about like these 2 best friends who kind of grow up together, and it's just very like mysterious, but it covers a ton of like stuff. So really good. I really enjoyed it. Kind of sad, but it was like not like a bad sad. I also have been watching Who Killed Sarah, and that one's kind of like a thriller. It's a little almost too scary for me, but it's not like super scary that I can handle it, and I don't like scary shows, but I've been really enjoying that. And then the last one that I want to share with you guys is called Jeannie in Georgia. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I binged it in like 3 days because I was like sewing and just getting my work done, and I was like, I can't stop watching it. Absolutely loved it. I thought it was going to be a little too like high school for me, but it was so good. Again, another show I can't wait for the next season. So those are some Netflix recommendations. If you guys have any for me, be sure to let me know, because I low-key have been binging a lot of Netflix lately. But on to my favorite topic of these videos, my fashion favorites for this past month. Honestly, they're super colorful. Let me give you a little preview because they're all very pastel-y, and I absolutely love that. So the first thing I want to share with you guys are kind of a no-brainer. I talk about these all the time, and they are just some J. Crew chino shorts, but they're these beautiful little lilac purple ones. I feel like lilac has been so on trend this season. Absolutely love it. I love the pastels, and I love wearing like a light purple t-shirt with it just because it's like that fun monochromatic outfit. Super cute, and they are just so flattering on. I do have like the shorter length just because I'm only 5'4", but I just think these are so cute. Another pair of shorts, but these are actually a skirt, so it has shorts underneath, and this is from Top It Off. I got it in a size medium, but it has this beautiful little shell print on it, which I am completely obsessed with. I feel like it's such like a Lily Pulitzer type of vibe. So stinking cute. I feel like this would look cute with any type of top, and it's just so flattering on. I did a whole unboxing in case you guys want to see more of what I got from them in this video, so be sure to go check that out. Then I have a t-shirt, and I'm currently wearing the same t-shirt just in a different color. This is from Lily Grace. I did do an unboxing on this as well, and I got a bunch of t-shirts in a size large because I always get them like true to size, so I wear small and preppy t-shirts, but I was like, you know, the oversized t-shirt look is such a vibe, and I never really tried it, so I got these all in a size large. I've never worn t-shirts as much as I've been wearing them just because they're so comfortable. So this is, again, Lily Grace. It's yellow. It has this little pocket right here. I think yellow might be one of my new favorite colors next to pink just because it's so happy. So I've been wearing this like crazy, and then it just says Stay Sweet on the back with a little watermelon drip. So I feel like this is really kind of hip and cool, and I really like it. So they're so soft. I can't recommend them enough. And then I have two dresses to share with you guys. So you probably have seen this a ton on my channel last spring and summer if you guys have been subscribed for a while. I love a good maxi dress, and I want to say I think maxi dresses are becoming super trendy. I've seen on a lot of preppy bloggers that I follow that nap dresses are becoming a thing. I'm not 100% sure what that entails, so I'm gonna have to do some research, but I've seen this nap dress. I think it's by like something Hill. Let me Google it real quick. The Hill House nap dress. I've seen like 5+ bloggers talk about it. This one, for example, I love her Instagram in case you guys want to check it out, but she shared the dress. Comes in a ton of different colors. It's kind of more of a midi dress where this is a maxi dress on me, but again, I don't know if that's only because I'm 5'4", but I love it. This is one of my favorites. I have it in green too, and it has these big bow sleeves. It's scrunchy on the top, which is so flattering, and then it's just a long maxi dress, and I love a maxi dress, especially as it gets really warm because it keeps you cool, but they're also just really cute, and it's such an easy outfit to put together. And then the last dress I want to share with you guys is from Sailor Sailor. I wore this on Easter, and I can't wait to wear it again because it's so comfortable, and it is this pink and orange like bamboo styled fit and flare. So I got this in a medium. Love the colors to the extreme. I love pink and orange together. I feel like it's such a fun color combination, and this is such a preppy print, and then it just fits and then flares out. It's got pockets. It's got these cute little pleats in it. It is just the cutest dress ever, and I can't wait to style it again. So be sure to check out my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, to see how a lot of these pieces are styled. And then also over there I share tons of outfit of the day posts, so be sure to check it out. I really want to get on my real content creation now that I'm going to be done with school very soon. So if you guys are looking for something like that, be sure to check it out. But now I want to share with you guys 5 of my beauty favorites that I've been loving. The first one is something that has been an ultimate game changer for me. So if you are blonde like me, you might have heard of purple shampoo, and I have been trying so hard to find the perfect purple shampoo. So if you guys don't know, purple shampoo kind of gets rid of that brassy orange color in your hair. You can use it if you're a natural blonde or if you dye your hair, so it's a win-win. I love it, and I've tried countless purple shampoos and haven't been able to find one that I like until now, so I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So I'm going to be honest, this product was $25, which I've never spent that much on one bottle of shampoo. So it was worth it. I bought it off Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below, but it's called Bust Your Breasts. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it is actually made in New York, which I think is really cool. So it's like made in America, but it's Bust Your Breasts Cool Blonde shampoo. So basically it just kind of lightens your hair, so it gets rid of all the orange and kind of makes it more white. And I love it. So I probably wash my hair 3 or 4 times a week, and I'll use this half the time and then just use my regular shampoo so I don't go through it as quick. But also I don't want to like do too much toning to my hair. But I cannot say enough good things about this. I do want to try the conditioner too. I just could not justify spending $50 on a shampoo and conditioner. So love this. If you're looking for a purple shampoo, I got you. And then another hair product that I've been loving, and I recently just tried this out, is the Garnier Sleek and Shine. So I picked this up because it's a leave-in conditioning cream, which I really like because I feel like since I have such long hair, I like to have a little bit of like product in it because it keeps the ends feeling a little bit more soft and silky. So this helps with frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair, but also it has heat protectant in it. So I don't really style my hair every single day, but I do like to style it occasionally with my curling iron, my crimper, or just blow drying it. So this has heat protection up to 450 degrees up to 3 days. So I put this in my hair. You can do it dry or wet, but I do like to add it once I'm done showering. And I also have been adding mousse to my hair, and it just adds a little bit of texture and volume. So this was like $3 at Kroger, so highly recommend. It's super cheap, but it's also just like a nice product to try out. And then the next thing I want to share with you guys is this new perfume that I've been using. I've had this forever, and I got it when I first started YouTube. I had a perfume company reach out to me and send this to me, so I did not buy this, but I've had it in my perfume tray for years and haven't used it just because I felt like it was too mature of a scent. But I don't know what changed because I absolutely love it. I think it smells so good, and the packaging of it is beautiful. This is the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. It smells so clean and so crisp, and I love it for the springtime. So new favorite. And then I have 2 more beauty products to share with you guys, and the first one is my Neutrogena Protected Tint. It's kind of like a shimmery tinted moisturizer. I love it because it has sunscreen in it. I know it's probably not the best sunscreen to be using for your face, but it's better than nothing, and it has SPF 30 in it, which I really like. I do wear the shade Fair to Light 20, and I wear this on days that I don't wear makeup, even though I'm wearing makeup, but it just adds a little sunscreen to it, but it also evens out my skin tone a little bit better. So I've been loving this. And then the last beauty favorite that I want to share with you guys is the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise. I'm wearing it right now. I feel like it makes my eyelashes look so long and like thick and gorgeous, and I absolutely love it. So I switched back to this mascara and can't say enough good things about it. So if you guys have any beauty favorites that you think I would like to check out or that you have been loving lately, let me know. But I love those 5 products so much that I wanted to share them with you guys, and now I have 5 random beauty accessories that I want to share with you guys as well. When I ordered my shampoo on Amazon, I also ordered some earrings. So I love wearing like a little pearl and then like a little diamond down here because I have a double piercing, and I recently lost my pearl earrings. So I had one and not the other, and I was like, I just need to buy some new ones. And I was looking at like Claire's website, because if you guys watch my daily jewelry like videos, I'll insert a card what I'm talking about. I mentioned how I don't like to spend a lot on earrings because I lose them, which is a perfect example of how I lost it. And Claire sells them for like 3 for $12, which is fine, but I found this pack and it has like 12 different earrings in it. The ones that are missing are currently in my ears and in my jewelry box, and love them so much. I think I paid $9 for all of these. Granted, it's not like that jewelry that you can wear in the pool or in the shower, so I take them off every night, but I feel like they look so good, and for $9 I couldn't pass it up. So I've been loving this. It came with a cute little box and a little makeup white cleaner thing too, which is really cool. So just some fun fashion jewelry that I wanted to share with you guys. I also have been loving my little monogram ring. I took it off to share with you guys in this video, but it has my monogram on it. It's like a little silver square ring. I've been wearing it on this finger a lot, and I love it. It's from Marley Lily. It's kind of old. I'm not sure if it's still on their site, but I just been obsessed with it. I feel like it's just like a fun little bling accessory to wear. And then I have 2 more bracelets, and the first one is this rainbow bracelet that says sweet on it. I love how colorful it is for spring, and I feel like it just has all these really fun colors. And then I also have been loving this blue watch. One of John's family members gave it to me for Christmas, and I've been obsessed with it. I feel like it's just such a fun little twist on my normal watches because it's square where all mine are round, and I just like love the little pop of color color. So I've been having so much fun styling that. My last accessory that I want to share is my lily scrunchie. I've been wearing this like crazy. It's a little silk lily scrunchie. I have them listed on my Etsy, but I decided to keep one for myself because I love it so much. So it's this beautiful pink and orange scrunchie. So I just kind of wear it on my wrist. I feel like it's super fun and it's helpful if I ever just want to pull my hair back when I'm out. But I love it because it is silk and it's made out of real Lily Pulitzer fabric. So I just think it's so stinging cute and I've been wearing it like crazy. So those are my 5 accessories that I wanted to share with you guys. And now I have 2 random favorites. And the first one might be kind of obvious, but it's my new pink room. You guys have been asking if this is my room, if this is my office. It's like, well, did I paint it? I did. So I currently moved rooms. I had this room earlier and used it as like a closet room previously because my brother moved out. But then I was like, you know, I'm just gonna make it my like bedroom and office, you know, so I painted it pink. I think the paint job is beautiful. I will have to figure out the name of the paint that I have. I think I still have the paint swatch chip somewhere, but I think it is just such a fun, happy shade of pink. And I feel like it's so on brand because pink is my favorite color and it just makes me smile when I wake up in the morning. When I go to bed, I'm like, oh, I finally have a pink room. So I've been loving that. And then my second random favorite is so random, and they are Sonic blue raspberry slushies. So recently I gave up eating ice cream, which I still eat ice cream occasionally, but I was like, you know, I want to cut that out. And I replaced it with slushies. They're a little bit healthier, not the healthiest sweet treat, but they're like nice and tasty just because my body like can't really handle dairy that well. So I switched over and I've been loving their slushies. They have happy hours that you can order online, which is so fun, and they are just so tasty and such a nice cool sweet treat during these warmer temperatures. So those are my random favorites, and I love ending off these videos with a quote that's been inspiring me. So hopefully it'll inspire you. And the quote is, never stop being a good person because of bad people. I feel like that is such a statement and something to live by, because you never want to change who you are based on the people around you or who you're talking to or who's affecting you. So hopefully that's helpful for you. I feel like that's been really helpful for me just because I don't know, I feel like with a pandemic and stuff, people are kind of upset and like there's a lot going on. I get it, but never let how someone talks to you change how you talk, because you get to choose how you react to things, and you just got to keep being a good person. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed my monthly favorites. I love you guys so much. If we have anything in common, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm trying my best, fingers crossed, to get a lot of content up this week because I'm finally finished with school, which is so exciting. And I want to do like a little life update. I'm bringing back my blog, which is just at Kellyprepster.com. There's so many things in the work and I'm so excited. I feel like this is like a new chapter starting and I can't wait to get started and get my feet wet. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. It means the world to me and I really, really appreciate it. And I just hope you guys are having a great day, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon with my next video. Bye guys!